state the 2 to 3 lines in one word or in one line. ठीक है? लाइक तुमने जलेबी
Okay.
बना दिया है गोल 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 गोल, मैं समझ रही हूँ, आई एम गेटिंग यू, बट वो जलेबी थोड़ा बन गया, उसको ट्राई करो एक सेंटेंस में फुलफिल कर दो.
Okay. My first strength, my mind power, because my mind power is so high. And secondly, my strength, uh, loyal with close friends, with my
हम्म.
family members.
हम्म.
And third strength, available for my close friends 24 hours.
ओके.
Uh, and next, my next strength is uh, मतलब इसको कैसे बोलेंगे, दूसरे का दुख अपना दुख समझना, वो कैसे होगा?
Yeah, you can say I am a compassionate person. Compassion.
I
Okay.
I am compassionate person, and
Hmm.
I am a down to earth boy,
Hmm.
very
Hmm.
humble man.
I said that there would be something unique. देखो तुम इतनी इतनी तारीफें कर लो अपने बारे में, और क्या, इतना सोचना क्या है, करो अपने बारे में जितनी तारीफ करनी
So
है.
Asya, if this time it's your turn.
No, no, my
So yes,
turn is
please
continue.
say. Oh, okay,
My
okay.
turn is
Carry on.
continue. My turn is
Carry on.
continue.
Carry on.
My weakness, my first weakness, trust, and every one person trust.
Hmm.
My first weakness, I think. Uh,
Hmm.
Second, I am very emotional.
Hmm.
Some people's my emotional blackmail and then cheating with me
Cheat with you.
and cheat with me. And third, I'm थोड़ा सा lazy.
ये थोड़ा सा लेजी
मतलब
क्या होता है? आई एम अ बिट लेजी.
I'm a bit lazy boy.
So many times I use a bit, a bit, a bit. So use that word. Listen, and you told that your memory is so sharp. You have the brain power. So accumulate all the words in your brain power. Okay.
Yes, a bit.
I don't say that you all have to be fluent. You all have to be very quick in speaking. No, you all take time, make sentences, and remember, जब याद नहीं आ रहा है ट्राई करो, सेंटेंसेस बनाओ इंग्लिश में, इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स याद करो देन बोलो. You can take time, you can take pauses, but as it's your second month is going on, so try to avoid Hindi. Okay, try to avoid Hindi all the
Yes,
time.
yes,
You are
yes.
everything. I
And
can, I can only guide you, I can only give you, and I can only give you some materials, I can guide you, I can correct you. But you are the first person who is going to learn the language, okay? Whose contribution will be more than me. So you are the first person. सबसे पहले अपने माइंड को आप लोग मेकअप करो, वो वो वाला मेकअप नहीं. ब्रेन को तैयार करो, ठीक है? Okay, all the time I have to think in English, and when you will start to think in English, you will automatically start to speak in English. I have already told you, when you wake up in the morning, so after waking up, be very cautious, and whatever you are doing, whatever any task you are doing, try to think in English. You don't have to say, you don't have to say, or you can mumble means बड़बड़ाना, मन में बड़बड़ा सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं है. Okay, you can mumble it, like when you are waking up, so you have to say I woke up. मैं उठ
I
चुकी,
woke up.
मैं उठ गई हूँ, I woke up. After that, बेड से उतरोगे, है ना, बेड से उतरोगे सोकर उठने के बाद, सो आई एम गेटिंग ऑफ द बेड, आई एम गेटिंग ऑफ द बेड. उसके बाद
Right.
स्लीपर पहनोगे, अगर पहनते होगे तो आई एम पुटिंग ऑन माई स्लीपर्स. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई एम ब्रशिंग माई टीथ. ब्रश कर रहे हो, देन मम्बल करो ब्रेन में, आई एम ब्रशिंग माई टीथ. ब्रेकफास्ट लेने जा रहे हो, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक माई ब्रेकफास्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हो, आई एम हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या क्या है
Yes.
बोलो. इन माई ब्रेकफास्ट देयर इज chapati, vegetable, Maggie, whatever you have. And after that, I am going to my university for the exam. Okay, I am writing with a pen. I am playing with children. In this way, you have to think about the sentences and you have to speak that. It will really help you. Okay.
Okay, I'll try.
Hmm. Strength and weaknesses has been done. Oh, Azra was asking about me. Right now, I have got the habit to just ask questions. But okay, Azra is asking, so I have to give the answer. Naz, Azra, and Shweta, you all are silent. Why? Is everything okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
okay.
Oh,
I
like,
listen to you.
I was
Yeah.
observing that only Ishaq is saying, but all and others are just disappeared.
Because our mic is mute.
Because I listen to.
So, if I would talk about my strengths, so really,
Yeah,
I'm hardworking. I'm
I know.
hardworking, and I'm also punctual and
I know.
so dedicated to my
I know.
job. And what I can say, other things. Resilience, yes, resilience. Resilience is something that you are failing again and again. You are getting failed in any work. Okay, you planned something and you are failing each time, but you are doing it again and again. Means you are trying all the time, like the saying that don't give up. Okay.
Yeah.
Mostly if you are failing for first time, second time, third time, you will just leave the task, you will just leave the job. But if you are not leaving and you are like just trying to achieve that third time, fourth time, fifth time, and every time, like you have written in your brain that I have to grab it, I have to do it, no matter how many times I am going to fail. So that's called resilience. Okay. So these are strengths. And yeah, honest. I'm not telling that I'm honest, means because if you are appearing for any job interview, वहां पर आप ये सब इतना ज्यादा नहीं करना कि मुझे आदमी के साथ या किसी पर्सन के साथ ऑनेस्ट होना, नो। वहां पे जितना ज्यादा आप काम के साथ अच्छा बता सकते हो उतना अच्छा है, ठीक है। बिकॉज जो इंटरव्यू के लिए बैठा है या बैठी है, उसको से कोई मतलब नहीं है कि आपका फैमिली के साथ क्या रिलेशन है, नो, उसको से मैटर नहीं करता। तुम फैमिली से झगड़ा करो, जो भी करो, उसका जो काम है उसके काम के साथ ऑनेस्ट रहो। ओके, सो if you are using the word honest, then you have to say I am honest with my work.
Work.
Yes, with my work, not with my family and all that. No.
Absolutely.
And if I would talk about the weaknesses, so वीकनेस में जैसे कि नाज ने कहा, एज नाज टोल्ड दैट sometimes I don't feel to work. So this thing you don't have to say, never. We all are human being and we all are same. We all need some holidays, some refreshment. We are not like a robot that we are every time working. Okay, so Naz is correct, Naz is right that sometimes we don't feel to work, but office is a professional place, so over there you don't have to mention these kind of sentences. Okay, so you can say that what you can say, let me think about it. Weaknesses, like we are talking about weaknesses. So in weaknesses, keep remember, you don't have to be very honest. एकदम दिल से जो निकल रहा है वो बात कभी नहीं बोलना इंटरव्यू में कि मेरे ये वीकनेसेस है। ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी होता है, ठीक है। आप 2-3 वीकनेसेस ऐसे बोलो कि वो वीकनेस है लेकिन उसमें पॉजिटिविटी दिखनी चाहिए। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ट्रिक, ये होना चाहिए, ठीक है। आपको वीकनेसेस बताने हैं बट उसमें थोड़ी पॉजिटिविटी दिखनी चाहिए। लाइक लिसन, इफ आई वुड से माय वीकनेस इज दैट आई ट्रस्ट everyone. I trust in everyone. मुझे सब पे
Also,
ट्रस्ट।
I also.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
So
I also.
And this is my so bad weakness.
don't worry. It is actually experience. The more you will do, the more you will trust people, and the more you will break down. And after that, you will got so many experience. You will get so many experience, and after that, you will be very strong. And then you are not going to trust at any person. It is totally related to experiences. The more you will get broken, the more you will be strong. So don't worry about it. if if you are like getting broken your trust, it means you are going to be very strong. So don't worry about it. Okay. मैं बोलना क्या चाह रही हूँ वो समझो, ठीक है? आप अगर इंटरव्यूअर को बोल रहे हो कि आई ट्रस्ट ऑन एवरीवन वेरी क्विकली, वेरी इजीली, आई ट्रस्ट एवरीवन इजीली, इट मीन्स यू आर टेलिंग अबाउट द वीकनेस बट देर इज अ पॉजिटिविटी. आप ट्रस्ट कर ले रहे हो सबके ऊपर, तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी ना. मीन्स यू आर अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन, you are a very nice person that you are trusting at every person. So जब भी अपनी वीकनेस बता रहे हो तो वीकनेस के साथ उसमें पॉजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए. लाइक इन माय टाइम आई यूज टू से वन वीकनेस at every company. Okay, and that was K. um, um yeah, I believe on 100%. Like whatever work I am doing, so I try to complete the work 100%, and that takes time. ठीक है? मीन्स अगर सपोज मेरे टीएल ने या मेरे या टीएल ने मुझे कुछ काम दिया है करने को, तो मुझे उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. इस तरह से मैं कह सकती हूँ कि दिस इज माई वीकनेस, दैट आई टेक टाइम, आई टेक a bit more time to complete the task because I do the task carefully. मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगता है काम को कंप्लीट करने में बिकॉज मैं पूरे ध्यान से करती हूँ एंड मुझे 100% एक्यूरेटली करना होता है. ओके, so this was very favorite line for me when I was running for so many interviews in companies. So I used to say this line everywhere, that my weakness is I try to complete the work with I take a bit more time to complete the task because I believe in accuracy. I try to maintain accuracy. That's why I take time. लाइक सपोज अगर तुम किसी काम को करने जा रहे हो और तुम सोच कर जा रहे हो कि मुझे एकदम एक्यूरेटली करना है विथ 100% एक्यूरेसी, जरा सा भी कुछ मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए, सो इट विल टेक टाइम, राइट? इट विल टेक टाइम. आप सोचोगे, सपोज मैंने तुमको दे दिया एक पैराग्राफ लिखने, आई गेव यू टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ. ओके, नाउ कुछ लोग होंगे जो फटाफट जो समझ आएगा लिखकर दे देंगे, लेकिन कुछ लोग होंगे जो देखेंगे कि एक बार लिखेंगे फिर ट्राई करेंगे कि सेंटेंसेस ठीक है, ग्रामर ठीक है, वोकैबुलरी, एम आई यूजिंग द करेक्ट वोकैबुलरीज. क्योंकि देखो वोकैबुलरी, हर वोकैबुलरी का अपना एक अलग अलग प्लेस होता है. ठीक है, हम किसी भी वोकैबुलरी को हर जगह यूज नहीं कर सकते. तो ये सारा चीज आप देखोगे, हर चीज को मेंटेन करोगे, क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्सप्रेशंस, पंक्चुएशन, these all things you will notice each and everything, so it will take time. So try to understand, I am talking about my weakness, but this weakness is very positive. The interviewer will say, oh wow, means you take a bit time, no problem, but you try to complete the task with accuracy, with 100% accuracy, so it's a good thing. Okay,
Okay.
I think my
Thank
long
you.
lecture was useful.